this is a base update, and I want you guys to try your best to participate on it because it ends by the 21st of December. I'm recording this video on the 19th of December, so 21st is just 2 days. If you are seeing this video on the 20th, take it as serious as you can. So Base is offering $2 million in rewards. That is over 3 billion naira, 3 or 2.5 billion naira in rewards. What you're going to do is that you're going to first of all join, and I'm going to show you the tutorial in this video. So let's get in. First of all, if you are living in Nigeria, I want you to connect to a VPN. So you can use VPN file Windscribe. Just use VPN file Windscribe. There's 111 VPN also, but I'll tell you the list of servers you should not connect to. Servers that you should connect to are US, UK, Dominican Republic, Italy, Latvia, Malta, Philippines, Singapore, and Slovenia. So I'll attach them on top of the video. So when you go to VPN file, we are going to choose a server apart from these servers, apart from the ones I listed. Don't connect to those. United States, United Kingdom, don't connect to them. So let's use Belgium. Let's use Belgium. So you connect to Belgium. Alright, so once you connected to Belgium, you go to the description of this video, you see a base link. Okay, you see a link. I will attach the link, so you click on that link. Alright, so once you click on the link, it's going to direct you to install the app. Click on install. So you give it a moment while it installs. Once you have installed it, you click on open. Create an account or sign in. So for this purpose, you are going to create an account. Alright. So once you create an account, you are going to put in your email and click on next. Once you are putting your email, they will request a 6-digit verification code. Check your email and you see the code if you typed in your email correctly. If you didn't, you can resend the code after the timer here. You can resend it for you to add your fingerprint so that it will be an easier way for you to log in. So after then, you give it a moment while it rolls up. Then you are going to put in your username. So I'll put in mine. That you put your name database.eth Ethereum. So if the username you put in is not available, to show you that this is not available, or if it is to show you that it is available, then just click on claim. You are going to need to solve captcha verification. So you solve the captcha verification. After then, you are going to show you completed. If you pass the captcha verification, then it's going to ask you to set a display name. After then, you can click on continue. You can set an avatar if you have. Once you are done, it's going to say setting up your base profile, creating your I'm just going to do the system things. Alright, so once you're done, is to show you this page. That means you have successfully created your base account. Okay, now you are going to click on the wallet section. It's at your bottom right. You click on the wallet. It will show you your base account. So yeah, we are going to deposit $6.5 worth of Ethereum. Okay, why there's $6.5 worth of Ethereum? We are going to do some tax which requires you to trade some coins, so there will be gas fees involved. So I do have a vendor where you guys can buy from Binance, you can buy from any P2P exchange. Just be careful of scams when buying from P2P exchanges. So if you want to receive your tokens as your Ethereum wallet, you click on this QR code. QR code, you click on it. Then you just click on allow OE this time. Then you click on receive. It's receive you want to actually receive. So then you'll be able to send this to anybody that is going to any vendor you are buying from, or if you are the one that is sending it, you copy your address. So once you copy your address, you get $6.5 worth of Ethereum into your wallet. Alright guys, so once you have confirmed that the money you deposited is showing, so we are now going to go to the second section. You see this invite and end by December 21st. Click on it. Now you see verify. So I want you to click on verify first. So let me explain all the rules for the verification. Now you can verify with a Coinbase account if it has already performed KYC, or you can verify with a Twitter account which has over 100 followers, or it is at least 1 year old. or you can verify with an Instagram account with over 100 followers, or it is a business or creator account. Oh sorry, the Instagram account, it has to have over 100 followers, and it has to be a business or creator account. It can't be a personal account. Then a TikTok account with also over 500 followers. So there are different ways of verification, just to state it. But as of now, I'll be going with the X verification method. Choose the one that you know that you have. So you click on continue. You're going to need to log in, so you click on confirm. You then do the verification. Now you can choose the one to verify, so you click on I'm going to verify with X. You complete your verification with X. As you can see, I'm done with my X verification. That's what I need to do. I can now close it. Then now we are going to trade a coin. So this is where you guys really need to be careful. So first of all, you click on the home icon that's at your bottom left. Then we are going to look for the coin. Okay, so let's pick this coin for instance. So you see this where they put $114 million. Click on that place. Then you'll be able to trade this coin. So what we are going to do is I want to trade so that we get the point. I'll explain more about the point as you go on trade. Then we are going to trade exactly $6 worth of the coin. So you just put in $6 worth of Ethereum to the coin. This is why I said you should add money on top, because you're going to remove gas fees. So you click on site to trade in. So then it asks you to complete your fingerprint verification. Then as you can see, give it a moment. Then as you can see, it has traded it. So now as you have traded it, quickly click on trade again. Then you are going to trade back the balance. You trade it back to Ethereum again, because the coin can dip or rock, so you don't want any coin that will lose our money from. Then click on trade now. You wait for it to trade. Then as you can see, so I've successfully traded to the coin and I traded back. So where I did it now, I earned a point. Okay, so now I'll be sharing to you guys how you can get your referral link. You click on that invite and earn. Click on it. Then click on invite a friend. Then you see your URL, so you can send it to your friend. Here you'll be able to see the list of people that you have invited. So you'll be able to share your URL and invite friends. Alright, so let me explain the reward structure now. Not reward structure, the point structure. So first of all, your initial qualification, that is you registering, will give you 1 point. Then for verifying your base, you earn another 1 point. Okay, now after you earn that 1 point, you can also earn points by referring people. Now another thing I want you guys to note also is that the money you send to base, the $6.5 worth of Ethereum that is sent to the base wallet, keep it till after the 24th, so you can withdraw it once the event is over. Withdraw it so that you'll be able to earn points from that also. Okay, and then try to refer people. Even if it's one person you can refer somebody, so that you get a piece of this cake that they are sharing. Okay, so you refer people, and then you are going to be able to earn points. I don't think there's a way for you to check points. Now also I want to tell you guys something. For those of you that have a Coinbase account, you see this complete enrollment, you click on it, you'll be able to earn $75 in USDT if you have a Coinbase account. But I've tried creating a Coinbase account and it didn't work. You guys can try. In insurance, you can use your passport or driver license. I don't think NIN slip works. You can try Premium Link, but I'm not sure about it. So just try it and play around with that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload new contents like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Our WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel is WhatsApp group is in the description box. You can join in. We share updates there instantly, more than we share on YouTube, because YouTube takes process to creating videos. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.